which has now entered into a pact with Mercury Pharma for HRT, that's hormone replacement therapy. Zydus Life as well, which has got a US FDA nod recently. Tejas Networks, they've received a 70 crore rupee order from DOT under the PLI scheme. Unilever, which has now approved about 2,000 crore rupees of investment to scale in its manufacturing capacity. And Cochin Shipyard, which signed a formal mega contract exceeding about almost 2,000 odd crore rupees. And then, of course, there's MCX as well, which is wherein Clearing Corp has removed the extra margin gold silver futures effective Feb 19th. MCX holding up 3.25% as we speak. What about the breakout candidates from yesterday? Let's check in on HDFC Life and Tata Steel. ITC, of course, while it managed to hold out about 2% yesterday. Let's see whether there's any follow-through price action. Flat for ITC at 330 thereabouts. Axis Bank, Reliance, L&T, M&M, these of course were the ones which provided that cushion to the index. Even though there have been so many AI tie-ups, at least from Infosys and TCS, you're not really seeing that cheer rub off on the stocks per se, at least so far. So both Infosys, Wipro, TCS, etc. were all big laggards yesterday, and today that trade is reversing a little bit. Eternal as well was lower by about 1.7% yesterday. Let's see what that stock is doing in trade. 0.5% higher, just around that 275 to 280 odd price point as we speak right now.
Very interesting. Some of the other buzzers, especially in the broader markets, BL Kashyap is up 7.5 odd percent. MCX, of course, up 3%. We spoke about that. Pace Digitech is the other one. Order wins. BL Kashyap and Pace Digitech seeing good traction on the back of those order wins coming through for both of those. NCC, off the day's low, it was down 7.5% on open, now down only 4.5%. Not sure how large that impact is because it's only 20% off the order book, 20 to 30% off the order book. So not quite sure as to whether that impact is as large. And the matter is still sub judice, so there's still some way to go with regard to clarity on whether that will play through or not. And LIC Housing is perked up 1%. Honasa Consumer is up 1%. Dixon Tech is down 1% on the back of a downgrade by CLSA. SBI Cards is down 0.8% as well. So those are just some buzzers on the back of brokerages that have come through earlier this morning. In terms of IT, 1.2% higher, really, that's the one that's really standing out in trade. The Nifty Bank absolutely flat to start the day off. And in terms of contributors, it's of course the IT pack which is leading. The top three contributors to the Nifty are Infi, TCS and HCL Tech. So clearly there is a tilt in favor of IT this morning. But IT has been a complete whipsaw of sorts. We've had one day in the green, one day in the red, one day top gainer on sectoral indices, one day top loser. And that seems to continue even today. 1.3% higher on the Nifty IT. Outside of that, metals doing reasonably okay. Defense is the other thing which is doing okay. PSU banks, they continue to gain. They've just gone from strength to strength, and the Nifty PSU bank is up another 0.5% in early minutes of trade this morning. The Realty Index is the top sulker, 1/3% lower, as you can see on your screen. Kunal, quick first thoughts?
It's a good start for the index. The India VIX has dropped down back again to just about that